Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money from affiliate marketing step by step. Do you know that affiliate marketers are one of the richest people that you would ever come across? And the idea of making money from affiliate marketing is so cool because people wouldn't have any idea how much you're actually making except you say it. So they'll look at you and be like, oh, this person is broke or this person does not have enough, but not knowing that you're actually making a lot of money. Now, you would say, oh, this is for people that have been into the business for years and they have experience and all that, but that is not even true. As a beginner affiliate marketer, you can start making anything from 100,000 naira to 500,000 naira every single month promoting other people's products. And that is going to bring me to what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing literally means you selling what someone else's product to make a profit or to make a commission on the sale, right? So affiliate marketing is more of digital products, right? Digital products like online courses, like ebooks, like softwares, like applications and things like that. As an affiliate marketer, you get these products, you sell them, and you make a commission based off of the sale that you made. It's as simple as that. You don't have to know how to create a product. You don't have to have any skill. You don't have to have any special thing going on. You just need to be able to, first of all, you have the product and then you are able to connect a buyer to this product and you make a sale. Simple as ABC. So like I said, I'm going to be breaking down everything for you, what you need to know, platforms that you can get started with, and you know, literally everything. We're going to be covering everything. All right, so stick with me. So how does this work? Actually, the first thing is for you to sign up on an affiliate marketing program or on an affiliate website. So you sign up one. Once you sign up, you pick a product. You choose a product. You're going to see a variety of different kinds of products, from software to courses, you know, to ebooks, to different things basically. So you have to do your due diligence and search for a good product. Don't worry, I'm going to go into that as we proceed. So there are criteria that you have to look out for and everything. Like I said, I'm going to go into that as we proceed, so you know exactly what to do. The third thing is to get the affiliate link for that product. So that is the link that you start promoting that particular product with. If you promote it with the owner's link, you're not going to make any money. So you have to make sure that you get your affiliate link so that when a sale happens from your end, you are able to make a profit out of it. Hope you understand. So where exactly can you find affiliate products to sell, right? So if you're in Nigeria, we have a couple of platforms that you can use. We have Expertnia, which I think is the most popular affiliate marketing platform that we have in Nigeria, right? So you can just go to expertnia.com. Mind you, I am not doing adverts for any of these platforms. Like I am just sharing with you, okay? So expertnia.com, you can sign up on the platform and then you get started. You have vendors, which are the people that own the products, and then we have the seller, so the person that is selling the product. Okay. Now, if you are in the United States, you're in Canada, you're in UK, you have even like more opportunities as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. You have clickbank.com, right? So you just go on the platform, sign up, and you can get started. We have Amazon Associates, JVZoo platform. We also have digistore24.com. So I am in Nigeria. I was trying to sign up on the Digistore 24 platform, and they said it is not available to people in my location because of tax or this and that. So that's why I said if you are in the US, the Canada, UK, you actually have like more opportunities as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So how do you source for products? How do you know the product to promote? In choosing a product, you want to pay attention to a product that actually, or you want to look for products that actually solve a problem. You don't just want to get a product for the sake of getting it. You want to make sure you get a product that actually has real value to solve real life problems. A very typical example is the health and wellness niche, right? So let's say someone has created a course on how to lose weight in 30 days with so and so. So that is a product that solves a real life problem. Okay. So when you get a product, ask yourself, what problem does this product actually solve? That's the first thing. Secondly, you want to also pay attention to the product that has a high demand. Of course, if it's a product that solves a real life problem, then definitely there should be like high demand for that product. You can do a simple Google search and see the number of searches that are actually on search engines on that particular issue. You can also check googletrends.com to also know what people are searching or what people are looking for online. You can do that and then validate level of demand for that product. So the next thing that you want to consider is the price of the product and also the commission level of the product. So for instance, if you pick a $5 product or a $10 product or a 5,000 naira product, whatever the case may be, you are going to be making money if you do it right. But how much you're going to be making is actually going to be small because the price of the product in itself is small. So, but imagine a situation where you're promoting a product that is a little bit on the high side. $100, $500, even $1,000 product. There are products like that. You'll be surprised, and people actually pay to buy them. So if you're promoting products, you want to look at products that have commission levels of anything from maybe 30%, 50%, 80%. Well, I don't know, 80% might be too much, but let's say between 30% to 50%. So in a situation like that, if a product that is 50,000 naira, you sell at a commission of 50%, it means that every unit that you sell, you are making 25,000 naira. Guys, if you are able to sell to 10 persons in a month, for instance, right, you would have made 250,000 naira without necessarily doing any hazardous work. If you're able to sell to 20 persons in a month, you have made 500,000 naira. In the same vein, if you are pushing a product of 100,000 naira and your commission is 50%, it means that you're making 50,000 naira out of every unit that you sell. And in that case, if you sell 10 products, 10 units in a month, in a week, or whatever, that is 500,000 naira. So that's how crazy affiliate marketing business can be. It's a very interesting business model, to be honest. Now, imagine a situation where you are now promoting a product of $1,000. And guys, don't be scared of the price of the product that you want to promote. Don't say, will people buy $1,000 product? People are going to buy it. That's the reason the person created in the first place. And don't forget, you are not the only affiliate marketer promoting that product. Other persons are also going to be promoting that product, and some people are going to be doing very well and making a whole lot of money. So don't even limit yourself in any way. All right. So if you are selling a product priced at $1,000 and the commission on that product is 50%, it means that for every sale that you make, you are going to be making $500. Does not make any sense. So at the end of the day, if you make only 10 sales per month, that is going to be $5,000. Just like that. In the same vein, if you're selling a product of 200,000 naira and the commission is 50%, it means that for every sale that you make, you are going to be making 100,000 naira. So if you close 10 sales in a month, that is going to be 1 million naira. It's crazy. And like I said, do not say, oh, that product is too expensive, I don't think people are going to buy it. Because guess what? The same amount of energy that you will expend to sell a product of $5 and $10 is the same amount of energy you're going to expend to promote a high ticket product. Do you understand? So if you want to go all out on affiliate marketing, go all out and make your money. So the next thing you probably ask me is, where can I promote this product? If you've watched any of my other videos, you see me talk a lot about building a personal brand, monetizing a personal brand. Now, this is 2025. It is believed that you have your WhatsApp, right? So you can sell to people on your WhatsApp. So instead of you posting, fine pictures of yourself every day, you can literally post your products on your WhatsApp status. You also have your social media. Social media is no longer the place to go and post yourself for pepper them. Yeah, you use social media for pepper them, but right now, social media is actually being used for selling, and you have to key into the game as soon as possible. Start promoting your products on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page, on your LinkedIn page, on your Twitter page. Just put it there. If you put $1,000, you don't have any idea who is going to see it. You might just make a crazy sale and you will be surprised. There are platforms that pay monthly, bi-monthly. There are platforms that pay weekly. For instance, in Nigeria, we have Espartnia, we have StakeCode. StakeCode pays every single week, right? So that's something you can actually always take advantage of. If you have a YouTube channel, post on your YouTube channel. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can easily create one. Thankfully, it is completely free to create a YouTube channel. So go ahead and create one and start promoting your products. You can also promote on a blog, right? And then you can also use mini influencers. So mini influencers basically are people that have a lot of following on social media. You can sell your own products to their audience. So depending on the quality of audience that that person has, the price of the product that you're selling, and if everything matches, of course, you can reach out to those persons, pay them, and let them promote your product for you, and you make your money. So these are the different ways that you can actually use to promote your products, your affiliate products, and make your money online. Hope this makes sense to you. So this is going to bring me to my last point for the day, which is how much can I make from affiliate marketing? Yeah, there is no limit to how much you can make from affiliate marketing, but let's just give like basic estimates, right? So let's say you are a beginner affiliate marketer and you are promoting a product worth 50,000 naira, and your commission is 50%, meaning that if you make a sale, you are going to be making 25,000 naira, right? You can literally target, okay, I want to be able to sell 10 units. I'm using WhatsApp, or I'm using Facebook, I'm using Instagram. I want to be able to sell 10 products. Okay, now let me even mention this, right? Now, for you to be able to sell, there are, of course, a couple of things that you need to know, right? One, you have to actually understand the product so you know how to sell it to another person. So how exactly do you put out content that you're going to use to sell? Remember, this is my expertise, right? I am a content strategist. This is what I do every day. So first of all, you have to learn how to write. Depending on what you are promoting and the platform that you are promoting it on, right? You might have to learn how to write persuasive words that would make people want to buy what you are selling. You also may need to know how to, create videos. So create videos. Let's say you want to sell, maybe you want to sell this pen. You might have to create videos talking about this pen, the benefits, maybe the features and stuff like that. It does not have to be a very long video, 30 seconds, 1 minute. You are good to go. Post it online and then see what happens. If you have to record your screen to probably explain a software, how it is used and all of those things, you might have to also do that as well. All right, so yeah, that's it about that. So you can use videos, you can use written content to actually sell on any of these platforms, and target maybe making 10 units of sales per week or per month, depending on your level. If you already have an audience, of course, you know that you can do way more than that. But if you don't have any audience yet, you are starting from scratch, right? So this is one of the best ways that you can actually get started with. Once you start doing that as a beginner, if you're promoting a 50,000 naira product with a 50% commission, which is 25,000 naira per unit, it means that if you're able to sell 10 units in a month, you're going to be making 250,000 naira. If you're promoting a product with a 50% profit for you, that is maybe the product is 100,000 naira, commission is 50%, and that means you're making 50 thousand naira per unit sold. It means that if you sell 10 units in a month, that would be a total of 500,000 naira. If you are selling a product in dollars, so this product is priced at $50, for instance. So the same thing. The commission is 50%. It means that if you're able to make 10 sales, you'll be making $250. If you're marketing in dollars to the foreign audience, like that, to the US market, the Australian market, UK market, and so on, it's easier for you to sell high ticket products and even make more sales. So at that point, you should not be aiming for products that are maybe $5 or $10. Aim for really higher products, maybe $100, maybe even $500, $1,000, $2,000, and so on, and then make your money. So you see that even as a beginner, you can start making anything from 100,000 naira to 500,000 naira to 1 million naira every single month. All right, so that is that for today's video. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell. How do they say it again? Please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notifications, like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notifications so whenever I make videos like this, you'll be one of the first persons to see them. Thank you so much for having me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.